Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the third story, two stories about flying, part one. This story uh, consists two part, but today we will discuss about the part one. This story has been written by Leon Flaherty, who is an Irish novelist and short story writer. He has been very famous for the writing stories having a theme of uh, morality and encouragement and boost up of the sense or the person who has lost hope that he would never do anything in his life. Through his story, he tried to strengthen the moral of those people uh, who who thinks that they are just a burden over the world, burden over the society. This story, which is a story of a seagull. Seagull means a sea bird. समुद्री पक्षी एक होती है seagull. इसके इसके दो भाई और एक बहन होती है. He was so afraid to make effort to make fly, but his parents, they were determined to make him fly anyhow, because in the practical world it is very necessary to be independent, to be self sufficient, to avail the facility of the world which is around us. The parents of this seagull were trying hard. They tried hard so many times, but this seagull was a victim of fear. He was he was phobiac also. He was uh, he was he was afraid of flying. He uh, thought that if he would make effort, he would fall and he would hurt himself. Because of that, he never made any effort and he could not learn to fly. But it is not so. हम लोगों को ये बात दिमाग में हरदम रखना चाहिए कि हम लोगों को कुछ अगर सीखना है, हम लोगों को कुछ करना है, तो उसके लिए हम लोगों को खुद ही पहल करना पड़ेगा. हम लोगों को कोशिश करनी पड़ेगी. इफ़ वी डोंट try, if we don't make any effort to learn anything, if we are not receptive, then there is no one who could provide us, who could make us learn. Only we are who can do something, who can uh, who can make able by the self effort. This seagull was so afraid of fly that he never tried to uh, take any initiative for flying. His parents were very worried about it, and he became a subject of fun in the family. Every member of the family making fun over him. They were taunting, they were satiring over his cowardness, and it is not so. But besides that, he was he was uh, trying to keep himself away from his family members only to escape from their comments, escape from their uh, for their taunt, for their negative remark, their uh, negative comment. But listen one thing, in our life, parents are the best supportive persons in the world and in the family also. कभी कभी हम लोग को हमारे पेरेंट्स हमको सिखाने के लिए, हमको कोई ट्रेनिंग देने के लिए, हमको प्रैक्टिकल वर्ल्ड में सही ढंग से अपने आप को एडजस्ट बनाने के लिए बहुत कोशिशें करते हैं. कभी कभी वो डांटते हैं, कभी कभी एक दो थप्पड़ भी मार देते हैं, और हम लोग कभी कभी गुस्से हो जाते हैं, उनके बारे में गलत तरह के कंसेप्ट बनाना शुरू कर देते हैं. लेकिन ऐसी बात नहीं है. हमारे पेरेंट्स का मोटिव होता है कि किसी तरह से हम लोगों को इस दुनिया में अपने को और सब लोगों से आगे रहने के लिए एक मोटिव हमारे अंदर भरना, यही हम लोगों का मेन जो हम लोगों का पर्पस होता है. और यही इसी पर्पस से सेगोल के पेरेंट्स भी उसको बार बार कोशिश करते थे को फ्लाइंग करना सीखे, डाइविंग करना सीखे, स्कीमिंग करना सीखे. बट वन थिंग, इफ वी डोंट टेक एनी इनिशिएटिव ourselves, then it is not possible that anyone else can do so. If we have to do something, if we have to get achievement, then we have to make effort. We should never depend on anybody else. We should never get any support from anyone. It is also said, God helps those who helps themselves. भगवान उसी की मदद करता है जो अपनी मदद खुद करता है. And this theory is, or this proverb is relevant or ever relevant, we can say. हमेशा इस proverb को हमारे लाइफ में इसका इस्तेमाल होता है. एक बार की बात है कि सेगोल अपने लेज में बैठा पड़ा हुआ था और उसके सारे भाई बहन उड़ने के लिए निकल पड़े. They were enjoying by diving, by flying, by skimming the waves, but he was alone at the ledge, and he was a victim of the fear of flying. Everyone tried to compel him to fly, but nobody got success. But his mother who was very determined in her mission to compel him, to make him fly. One day, when the seagull was in need of something to eat, he was feeling very hungry. He was asking something from his brothers, from his sister, from his father, from his mother. No one gave anything to eat. They let him remain hungry. They did not give anything to him. Actually, their motive was to make him fly. When he did not make any effort to fly, then his mother thought to hit a plan. What was that plan? उसकी प्लानिंग क्या थी? उसकी प्लानिंग थी कि उस उसको उसके सामने मछली दिखलाना, और लेकिन उसको मछली देना नहीं, और उसको इस बात के लिए उसके अंदर एक एंथुजियाज्म पैदा करना, एक जोश पैदा करना कि वो खुद से डाइविंग करना सीख ले, उड़ना सीख ले और इंडिपेंडेंट हो जाए, सेल्फ सफिशिएंट हो जाए। एक दिन उसको जब भूख लगी तो किसी से उसको खाना नहीं मिला। ही डिड नॉट गेट एनीथिंग टू ईट, ही रिमेन्ड हंगरी। Another day, he was feeling very strong, strong hunger, but no one came to provide anything. His mother was really a very interested in making him fly or compelling him to fly. उसको मजबूर कर देना चाहती थी कि उड़ना सीखे और अपने इस उड़ने की कला में महारत हासिल करे, क्योंकि प्रैक्टिकल वर्ल्ड में खुद ही उसको उड़ना पड़ेगा और अपने भोजन की खोज में उसको खुद ही निकलना पड़ेगा, खुद ही भोजन खोजना पड़ेगा, कोई भी उसको भोजन देगा नहीं। When his mother came near him, having a fish in her beak, she got a fish by diving in the sea and caught that fish and came near him. But she did not give. She did not give that fish to him. And when he tried to get, and he tried to make a very little effort to fly and fell into the stone. Thereafter, another way, his mother compelled him to fly again. Thereafter, his mother's, I told you so many times that his mother's motive was only to enable him to fly. And when that seagull thought that he is not going to get anything from anyone, he made an effort to fly. He and dive also. He made a little flight and dived into the sea. His first diving gave him some little pain, but he thought that he had to catch the fish if he wants to satisfy his hunger. And ultimately, when he made his effort in this mission of flying with honesty, hungrily, then he became successful. And his mother saw him eating that fish. She became so happy, overjoyed, that she got everything. Listen one thing: when your parents will see you get success, they feel very very happy. They feel overjoyed. Their satisfaction in your success. They feel very satisfied when you get success. We should never think that our parents are our enemies. No, they are the best supporter. They are the best well-wisher of us in the world. While providing training, sometimes they had to act very haughtily. They had to act sometimes very strictly, and in their behavior we find something very arrogance, but that is not so. When that seagull in his first fly, he felt very satisfied and finds himself very successful. He felt very satisfied. He felt as if he has got an an excellent achievement, and he began to fly with his brothers and sister and parents. Every one of them was very happy by by seeing him successful in the mission of flying. Means he became familiar with the main thing. Flying means he became familiar with the practical world's difficulty, practical world's problem, and uh, he could solve them by himself. And his parents were so happy, so satisfied, because they thought that his son has got success and has become successful in achieving what were their mission. Now, अब हम लोगों को या, ये इस बात को भी जानना पड़ेगा कि इस स्टोरी का थीम क्या है. दिस स्टोरी हैज सम थीम, नॉट वन थीम. Some thing means first thing is that if we want to get success, if we want to achieve something, we should make our effort ourselves. We should never think that someone will come and provide something and thereafter we will get success and achievement. No. We should make our effort, we should make our initiative ourselves. हम लोगों को अपनी सफलता के लिए खुद कोशिश करनी पड़ेगी, खुद मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. मेहनत का दूसरा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं होता. इट इज सेड दैट लेबर डज नॉट हैव एनी ऑप्शन. तो अगर हम ईमानदारी से किसी काम के लिए आगे बढ़ते हैं तो हमको सफलता जरूर मिलेगी. Once again, I will repeat that God helps them who helps themselves. And that Segul got success in learning the art of flying only because of his own effort. And another thing, we should never make a concept, we should never make a नेगेटिव आइडिया अबाउट आवर पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो. कभी कभी हमारे पेरेंट्स हमको डांटते हैं, हमको पीटते हैं, हमारे साथ कुछ बुरा व्यवहार करते हैं, बट देयर ओनली मोटिव इज टू मेक अस एबल टू गेट सक्सेस, सो दैट वी कैन बी अहेड ऑफ everyone in the society, we can be ahead of everyone in the world, and our success, our achievement can be known as an excellent achievement, and nobody can come around us in this sense. Now we should, another thing about which we have to know, that is message. The message is very clear. बहुत अच्छा मैसेज उन्होंने दिया है कि अगर हमारे स्टूडेंट लाइफ में अगर कभी भी हम लोग टीचर की बात को या पेरेंट्स की बात को बुरा मानते हैं तो हम लोग कभी भी अपने लाइफ में सक्सेस नहीं कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि टीचर या जो पेरेंट्स हैं उनका मेन मोटिव होता है हमको इतना मजबूत कर देना कि हम अपनी इस दुनिया में आने वाले किसी भी मुसीबतों का अच्छे ढंग से उसका मुकाबला कर सकें, और हम लोग एक सक्सेसफुल ह्यूमन बीइंग के रूप में जाने जाएं. हमारे सारी खुशियां मेरी झोली में आ जाए. दैट इज द मेन मोटिव ऑफ आवर पेरेंट्स. सो वी शुड नेवर make any negative concept about them. And दूसरा मैसेज उन्होंने दिया है जो कि बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम लोगों को हरदम अपने अपने को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए खुद इसके लिए पहल करना पड़ेगा, खुद इनिशिएटिव लेना पड़ेगा। अगर हम लोग ऐसा करते हैं तो सीगुल की तरह हम लोग भी सक्सेसफुल होंगे और हम लोग भी अपने आसपास में हम लोग भी पूजे जाएंगे। वी विल बी रिस्पेक्टेड, वी विल बी worshipped. It is said that the world worships only the rising sun, only the successful one. दुनिया में पूजा किसकी होती है? जो सफल होते हैं। उगते सूरज की भी पूजा होती है। तो हम लोगों का काम है कि हम लोग हरदम आगे बढ़ते हुए रहना। एंड इट विल बी पॉसिबल व्हेन वी आर एंथुजियास्टिक, व्हेन वी आर डिटरमिन्ड, व्हेन वी आर ऑफ ऑप्टिमिस्टिक attitude. This optimism will help us to take ourselves ahead. So we should keep such thing in our mind, and we will be ahead of everyone. We will get success. Our achievement. There is no doubt in that we will not get any achievement. We will get achievement if we are honest on those things. Those things means like determination, honesty, hard labor, and optimism also. Thank you. मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आपको पूरा चैप्टर समझ में आ गया होगा।